Good morning guys, my name is Bilal Khan and welcome to my first vlog. I'm a floor installer here in UAE and today I will take you with me to a new project here in UAE. So let's go. So finally we are in the car, we are on our way to the location. He's special my uncle, my friend and also my partner, and we are working together. Also he's an installer. So guys, we just arrived to the location. Okay, this is the house. We will go inside. Let me tell you guys, today we will do only maintenance.